best PC dust filters keep your computer clean, improve airflow, reduce overheating, and extend hardware lifespan for better long-term performance. My today's video is about top 5 best PC dust filters that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Moco 400 by 300 mm DIY PC case dust mesh filter. This DIY magnetic PC dust filter is an excellent solution for keeping your computer clean while maintaining proper airflow. The large 400 by 300 mm mesh design allows users to customize the filter size easily for different PC cases, cooling vents, gaming consoles, or electronic devices. The included magnetic strips with strong 3M adhesive make installation simple without drilling or damaging the case, while also allowing quick removal for cleaning. The 1 mm mesh holes effectively block dust, pet hair, and debris without heavily restricting airflow, helping your PC stay cooler and extending the lifespan of internal components. Its PVC construction feels durable and flexible, making it suitable for long-term use in multiple setups. The filter is especially useful for gamers and PC builders who want cleaner hardware with less maintenance. With 2 large filter sheets and 8 magnetic strips included, this kit offers great value, convenience, and reliable dust protection for everyday computer use. Now our second product is Filter King 35.5 by 45 by 1 air filter. This MERV 8 air conditioner filter delivers reliable performance for maintaining cleaner indoor air and protecting HVAC systems. The pleated design efficiently captures dust, pollen, lint, pet dander, and other airborne particles without reducing airflow, helping your home feel fresher within days of installation. Its durable construction and quality materials provide dependable filtration while supporting the efficiency of both air conditioning and heating systems. Made entirely in the USA, the filter feels well built and designed for long-lasting use. With a lifespan of up to 90 days, it reduces the hassle of frequent replacements while helping extend the life of HVAC equipment. Installation is also incredibly simple, just slide the filter into place and you're done in minutes. The 4-pack offers excellent value for households that want consistent air quality year-round. Overall, this filter is a practical choice for improving indoor comfort, reducing airborne contaminants, and maintaining smooth airflow without putting extra strain on your system. Our third product is Wohnwehr 1 PCS 1000 by 300 mm DIY PC case dust filter. This DIY PC dust filter is a practical and affordable solution for keeping computers and electronics cleaner for longer. The large 100 by 30 cm mesh sheet gives plenty of flexibility, allowing users to cut the exact size needed for PC case fans, vents, speaker grills, or gaming consoles. The included magnetic strips provide strong adhesion and make installation simple without drilling or permanent modifications. The mesh design does an excellent job balancing dust protection and airflow. It helps block dust, hair, and debris from entering the system while still maintaining proper ventilation to prevent overheating. This can significantly reduce internal dust buildup and help extend the lifespan of important PC components. The filter material feels lightweight yet durable enough for long-term use. Cleaning is also convenient since the magnetic attachment allows quick removal and reinstallation. Overall, this dust filter kit is an excellent choice for PC enthusiasts, gamers, and anyone wanting an easy way to maintain cleaner and more efficient electronic devices. Now number 4, Moco 120 by 240 mm dust filter. This magnetic PC fan dust filter is a smart and user-friendly solution for maintaining a clean and efficient computer system. The magnetic frame design makes installation effortless, no screws or tools required, allowing it to attach securely to any metal chassis within seconds. This convenience also makes removal and reinstallation quick for regular cleaning. The ultrafine PVC mesh effectively blocks dust while still allowing smooth airflow, helping prevent overheating and keeping internal components protected. It also reduces fan strain and can slightly lower noise levels by minimizing dust buildup. Its compatibility with standard 120 by 240 mm fan sizes makes it widely usable across many PC setups, including case fans and even power supply intake areas. Built to be washable and reusable, it offers long-term value. A simple hand wash with soap restores its performance without damaging the structure. With durable construction and strong dust filtration, this 2-pack filter set is an excellent upgrade for anyone looking to extend PC lifespan and maintain stable cooling performance. And our last choice is FIX 80mm PC Fan Dust Filter. This upgraded PC dust filter set is a highly practical solution for maintaining clean airflow and stable system performance. The improved 0.8mm mesh design offers noticeably better ventilation efficiency compared to standard filters, allowing 15% to 20% more airflow while still effectively blocking dust, pet hair, and fine particles. This balance helps high-performance CPU and GPU systems stay cooler and run more quietly, especially during heavy workloads. The 10-pack bundle provides excellent value, offering full coverage for multiple intake and exhaust fans in a PC case. It's especially useful for builders who want complete protection without repeated purchases. Each filter is precision cut for 80mm fans, ensuring a neat and secure fit when installed with standard fan screws. Made from durable, washable PVC mesh, the filters are reusable and long-lasting, maintaining performance over time. They also help reduce fan turbulence, which can slightly lower system noise. Overall, this is a cost-effective, reliable upgrade for better cooling, cleaner internals, and extended hardware lifespan. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.